RAC Extended Warranty. Love that new car feeling with FOW. Cars are more complicated than ever. Costs can easily spiral with parts, labour and recovery to consider. With FOW, you're in the driver's seat. Flexible options and terms tailored for your new car help protect you from the unexpected. Simply choose your term, 1 to 4 years. RAC breakdown cover is included as standard, alongside mechanical, electrical, parts and labour. Suspension, turbo, engine, ECU, gearbox, steering and fuel systems are just some of the things covered. Buying an EV or PHEV? We have cover for those too. All the benefits, plus the electric motor, onboard charger, wiring harnesses and much more are covered. And there are no mileage limits to worry about. In the event of a valid claim, costs are covered directly with the repairer. It's easy to claim online or over the phone. Enjoy peace of mind on your terms with FOW and the RAC.